Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss about chemical reactions and equations. Chemical reactions are the process in which new substances with new properties are formed. So in the chemical reaction there occur chemical change. Chemical change occurs. Also, the rearrangement of atoms takes place in the reacting substance to form new substance with new properties. When a chemical reaction occurs, two or more different kinds of reacting substances, whom we call the reactants, combine. After combination, they form a new substance with entirely different properties. Those new substances are called products. In the chemical reaction, usually breaking of old bonds takes place and formation of new bonds occurs. So the substances which take part in a chemical reaction are called reactants, and the new substance produced as a result of chemical reaction are called products. For example, when a magnesium metal combines with oxygen after heating, it forms magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is a white powder. Magnesium burns in presence of oxygen with a dazzling flame, and it forms magnesium oxide. This magnesium and oxygen, they take part in the chemical reaction, and these are called reactants. And the new product which form magnesium oxide is the product. Magnesium has different properties, oxygen has different properties. When they combine, they form magnesium. This magnesium oxide has entirely different properties as compared to magnesium and oxygen. So magnesium oxide here is the product, magnesium and oxygen is the reactant. So the burning of magnesium in air to form magnesium oxide, which is an example of chemical reaction. Number of chemical reactions. There are number of chemical reactions which we will discuss in the coming lectures. For example, formation of curd from milk. When we obtain curd from the milk, this is also the lactobacillus bacteria which helps in the curdling of milk. This is also an example of chemical reaction. Same is the cooking of food. When we cook food, we can't segregate these ingredients into the original form. This is also a kind of chemical reaction. Digestion of food. When we take food and eat, different kinds of enzymes in our body acts on that food. Or also the saliva which helps us in the digestion, or the gastric juices helps in the digestion of food. And this is also a chemical reaction, because we take the solid food and ultimately it gets converted into the blood. This is also a chemical reaction. Same is the case process of respiration. And when we take the air inside and it reacts with the food, gets oxidized in our body and it releases energy. That is also a chemical reaction. Fermentation of grapes, or when we generally use fermentation to form alcohol. Rusting of iron is also an example of chemical reaction. Burning of fossil fuels is also an example of ripening of fruits, is also an example of chemical reaction.